Hello, YouTube. This is G-Force, and I have in front of me the Disney Plus Wave, and we are going to unbox them and take a look at them rather quickly. I don't like to go in depth with all the reviews. You know Marvel Legend, you know what the articulation's usually about. So I will get them out of the box, and we will take a look at these figures. Be right back. Okay, so we have our Disney Plus Wave out of the box, and they look very good, in my opinion. Some of them, Cap, Sam, he's a little hard to stand. Wanda was a little difficult to get in a position. Loki and Vision, But Zemo and U.S. Agent and Bucky, they stood right up, no problems. As you can see, I got Zemo in his little dancing pose with his book. So let's go over what each one came with. So Loki, in my opinion, he's a meh figure. I mean, I don't, until I see the show, I'm not gonna know anything about what this whole thing is, and the windswept hair. I mean, it's molded okay. The face sculpt looks kind of like him. Tie, I hadn't seen one of them since the 80s. Those old square knit ties, but so yeah, he comes with whatchamacallit, I can't think of the name, Red something or other. Red Wing, I think it is. And the backpack that plugs into, as well as the wings and the flight stand. So, I mean, yeah, they're okay, but you get nothing for Loki. So, then we have White Vision, and originally I was just going to get him and Wanda. I love the texturing on the suit, the see-through cape. I like that. Probably gonna have him and Wanda in flight stands, and Cap, if he doesn't look good on the one that came with it, I'll put him on a flight stand too. But yeah, it's a cool vision, different from the ones we've gotten. And he comes with the two inner wings, the ones that hook onto the backpack, and two fists. So Wanda, she was my favorite. Just seeing her online. Maybe not my favorite outfit of hers. Like, I think I like the movie outfits better. The first one from Ultron, and then Civil War. Those two are probably better. But she comes with those little effects on her arms, which I hadn't had before. I don't believe. No, I do have it in the 2-pack for Infinity War, but yeah, even Infinity War is better. And she's painted in that too. But yeah, she's pretty decent. Like I said, a little hard to stand. She comes with I believe it's the lower part of the wing. I haven't tried to put it together, so I don't know. And two glowy hands. So, if we can get it to focus, which I doubt. There we go. She's got the two glowing hands with the fingers twirling around. So, U.S. Agent, I think they did a good job with him as far as looking like U.S. Agent. Where I've heard and seen on the packaging, they messed up because he doesn't have white stripes. I believe he's supposed to. I don't think he's supposed to have the A on the helmet, but yeah, as far as figures go, he looks he's a good representation of U.S. Agent. He comes with the wing tip and 2 fists. So he's got the big wing tip. So Zemo, I think, came with the most accessories and things. He's got the book with the star on it. He's got probably one of the better face sculpts. Love the outfit. He's got the pointer finger, a grabby hand. Oh, and I didn't mention that the pistol doesn't come out of U.S. Agent's holster, which is crap. Zemo comes with a gold pistol and the hooded face head sculpt, so that's cool. Comes with 2 fists and the other wingtip. Now, Bucky, I think that Bucky, the paint they did on that Wakandan arm is just dynamite. In person, it looks so crisp. The jacket and everything, it's got the right straps and the right amount of paint and things like that on it. I think it's a pretty good job they did there. Disappointment with Bucky, he comes with the fist on the arm, comes with a kind of a grabby hand for the arm, a grabby hand with a trigger finger on his left hand, and then a fist for a left hand. Now, he's the freaking Winter Soldier. He needs a gun. Doesn't come with a gun. Comes with the lower wing part. Cap, as he takes a tumble, tried to get him kind of throwing the shield. But like I said, getting him to stand is not an easy task. So, but he's a decent figure. Came with a shield and a backpack. So let's get that off of there. And this is probably going to be stupid to try to do it with Red Wing on there, but let's try to build the wings here, see what we can do. I have absolutely no idea how they go together. I would say this. Nope. Yep. And I've heard that you really have to get these seated down in there very well, otherwise the backpack won't plug in properly. So let's try these lower sections. I would think the silver would be up to match, yes. Maybe I do have them upside down. We'll see. Yeah, I think I do. But that's an easy fix. So, like, I can tell just by putting them in the backwards way that they sat down way further. Let's see, Cap, can we get this on you? Not very well. This was a pain in the neck to get in there in the first place, too. Get in there, Red Wing. Weehaw! Everything comes crashing apart. The beauty of doing stuff live. It's not live, it's going to be recorded. Well, there you have it, folks. Captain America with his wings. He doesn't seem to want to stand. Can I get him in a better pose? Stand, Sam. Ta-da! Yay, we did it! But there you have it, folks. That is the Disney Plus Winter Soldier and Captain America wave. I hope you enjoyed it, and best of luck to you on your next toy hunt.